Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the realizing the logic function with logic gates. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive, link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic, realizing the logic function with logic gates. The Boolean algebra is used to express the output of any combinational network. The output of any combinational network is given by Boolean algebra. Such a network can be implemented using logic gates. That expression is implemented using the logic gates. In this video, we will see how to implement the given expression using the logic gate. First, we will see the example 1. Implement the Boolean function x, y, z plus x bar y plus x, y, z bar. We need to implement this function using the logic gates. We know that the logic gate, the basic logic gates are NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. NOT gate means NOT gate is a complement, inverse. The NOT gate will give the inverse of the input. AND gate is nothing but multiplication, A dot B, A dot B, like that. OR gate is the addition, A plus B. Apart from that, we have NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate, right? So, this function we are going to implement with the basic gates, NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate. Now, we will see that here the three terms are available. So, in order to implement this x, y, z, we need one AND gate. In order to implement this x bar y, we need one more AND gate. In order to implement x, y, z bar, we need one more AND gate. So, implementing these three functions, we need three AND gates. In order to get the x bar, we need one NOT gate. In order to get the z bar, we need one NOT gate. And finally, by adding these three terms, term 1, term 2, term 3, we need this plus symbol means we need one more OR gate. So, 3 AND gates to perform these three expression, 2 NOT gate to perform x bar and z bar, and one OR gate used to add all these terms. Right. Now, we will see the logic gates. Now, see the diagram. First, we will see the inputs. What are the inputs we needed? So, this is the x, the input x. Here, one, it is this the tapping is taken and is connected to the NOT gate. So, it will give x bar. Right. NOT gate is the function of NOT gate is inverted. If x is 0 means x bar will be 1. X is 1 means x bar will be 0. Right. So, this line indicates the input x. With the NOT gate, we got x bar. This line will give the input of x bar. Similarly, this is y, green color is the y, input y. That tapping is taken and connected to the NOT gate. So, this will give the y bar. This signal will give y bar. This red color line is the z, input z. Tapping is taken and connected to the NOT gate. So, this line will give the z bar. So, now we have x, this the first one x, then x bar, y, y bar, z, z bar, right. So, 6 inputs are available, x, y, z, x bar, y bar, z bar, right. The first one what we need is x, y, z, right. So, with this we have one AND gate is there. It is connected with x, y and z. The input to the AND gate is connected to x, y, z. So, the output will be x into y into z. The nature of the AND gate is x, y, z. Then we need one more AND gate to perform x bar y, right. In order to perform we need x bar y, right. So, we have one more AND gate is there. Here the input is x bar and y. See this, x bar is connected and y is connected. So, this due to AND gate, what this output x bar y, right. What is the next third term? Third term is x, y, z bar. So, we need one more AND gate. We have one more AND gate is there. In that it is connected x, y and z bar. So, the output will be x, y, z bar, right. Now, using these three AND gate, we got the output x, y, z, x bar y, x, y, z bar. Now, we need to add these three terms. For that, we are using one OR gate. The nature of OR gate is it will add these three terms x, y, z plus x bar y plus x, y, z bar. So, this is our required output. right? So in this we have the first we see the inputs x, y, z. With the NOT gate we have x bar, y bar, z bar. 6 inputs are readily available. By using 3 AND gates we perform these 3 functions. These 3 functions are added using the OR gate. So finally we got the output, required output. Now we'll go to the next example. In the second example, the given Boolean function is a plus b the whole bar dot a bar dot b the whole bar, right? So the two functions are available, a plus b. Here a dot b, and then again the complement is available. So in order to perform a plus b we need one OR gate. In order to perform a bar dot b we need one AND gate. Then in order to perform this multiplication we need one AND gate. So totally we have one bar is also available. In order to get the bar we need one NOT gate, right? So we'll see this function one by one. This is plus, not a dot, right? So a plus b the whole bar dot a bar plus b the whole bar, right? So here we need one OR gate, here we need one OR gate. To perform these two we need one AND gate. In order to get the complement we need one, here we need one NOT gate, here we need one NOT gate. Now we'll see the diagram one step by step. We'll see the diagram. First we will have the inputs. This is the input A. This line indicates the input A. So here we need a bar. So the tapping is taken, one NOT gate is connected. So this will give the input of a bar. This is A and a bar. This green color line is the input B, right? So the B bar is not required, right? So they have the input A with using NOT gate we have a bar and input B, right? Now first we will implement this a plus b. In order to a plus b means we need one OR gate. The input is a and b. The nature of OR gate is it will add a plus b. But here what we need, a plus b the whole bar, inverted. We need inverted. So here again we connected one NOT gate. Right? NOT gate, what is the nature of NOT gate? The input is a plus b, the output will be a plus b the whole bar. So this is our required input. Then we'll go to the next term, a bar plus b, right? So the a bar is connected and b is connected. So what is the nature of OR gate? It will add a bar plus b. But here we need a bar plus b the whole bar. So we connected one NOT gate. So what is the nature of NOT gate? It will invert. A bar plus b is the input. So the output will be a bar plus b the whole bar, right? Now we got these two terms, a plus b the whole bar, a bar plus b the whole bar. Now we need to multiply these two terms. In order to multiply we are using one AND gate. What is the nature of AND gate? It will multiply these two terms, a plus b the whole bar into a bar plus b the whole bar, right? So this is our required output, required Boolean function, right? So I will explain. So we have the input a using NOT gate a bar, then b. To perform a plus b we have one OR gate. In order to perform a plus b the whole bar we have one NOT gate. Similarly a bar plus b we need one OR gate. A bar plus b the whole bar we need one NOT gate. In order to multiply these two terms we have AND gate. So after this we got the required output. Now we'll go to the another example, one more example, example 3. So the example 3 is xy plus xy bar plus yz bar, right? Here three terms available, x, y, z. The three terms are there, xy, xy bar, yz bar. Then all three terms are added together. So in order to perform x into y we need one AND gate. X, y bar we need one AND gate. Y, z bar we need one AND gate. Then finally adding all this we need one OR gate. Right. First we will see the inputs. What are the inputs are needed? So this red color line is the input x. X bar is not needed here. So we will go to the input y. Y bar is needed. So the tapping is taken then connected with the NOT gate. So this line will give the y bar. Then z, input z. tapping is taken and NOT gate is connected. So this line will give the input of Z bar, right. So the input what we have X, Y, with the inverter with NOT gate we have Y bar, Z and Z bar, right. First we will perform this X into Y. X into Y means we need one AND gate. So X and Y is connected. Not AND gate, what will do, it will multiply this. So the output will be X into Y. Then we will perform X Y bar, X into Y bar, right. So this we need one more AND gate. So this X is connected and Y bar is connected. So the output will be X into Y bar. AND gate will multiply these two times. Then what we need, Y into Z bar. Y into Z bar means we need one more AND gate, right. So the Y and Z bar is connected. So the output of this AND gate is Y into Z bar, right. So by using 3 AND gate we got XY, XY bar, Y, Z bar. Now we need to add these 3 terms. For that we are using one OR gate, right. So OR gate, what is the nature of OR gate? It will add these 3 terms, XY plus XY bar plus Y, Z bar. So this is our required output, required Boolean function, right. So the inputs are available. By using 3 AND gate we perform this operation. These 3 terms are added by using one OR gate. So in this video we discuss about how to implement the Boolean function using logic gates. In these 3 example we used the basic gates, NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.